We've just released a new feature that allows you to quickly communicate with candidates in your job pipelines. I'm going to show you how it works. You'll notice that in my database I've brought up a job here for a senior Java developer, and I've clicked on the pipeline xTab. Inside the pipeline, I'm seeing a list of all of my candidates that have been linked to this job in some way or another. Most have been linked as received. They applied online, but I also have a candidate that I've linked as potential to this job. So the new feature allows you to communicate with the candidates directly from the xTab without having to jump to the candidate record or to a different view. So if I wanted to, I could click on Bradley Ruffin. I could right-click, and you'll see a new menu option called Send. There's a few sub-options: email the selected candidate, mass email all the candidates, or send a job list to all selected candidates. So let me show you how these work. I'm first going to select email the selected candidate. And when I do, a new email window has opened up, and because I had clicked on Bradley Ruffin here, you'll see that Bradley Ruffin is now in the email to box, and it's going to send this email to Bradley. So just like any other normal email, I could write up an email here and hit send. It's going to send it to Bradley, and of course link it to his name in the database. Now the other option is I could right-click, select send, and then choose mass email all candidates. Again, this is going to open up a new email window, but you'll notice in the toolbar it's saying candidates-pipeline, all in the current view. This means it's sending it to every candidate in my pipeline, which happens to be that current view. It's also got a merge tag, hi first name, so it'll personalize it to everyone on that list. Hi Bradley, hi John, hi Mark, hi Pankaj, etc. And just like any other normal email, I could load a pre-built template if I'd like, that kind of thing, and send this email off to this candidate list. The last option is I could right-click and I could say send job lists to all or selected candidates. And when I do, it's going to open up an email window again, but this time it has the style sheet loaded for the job. And it has the specific job loaded that I'm recruiting for, meaning the senior Java developer or the job I'm already working on, right? So it helps to automate bringing in that job so you don't have to select it later. And remember, you can also change the styles of this. So if you have a different style that you like to use, remember you can switch between the different styles to send that job out, right? You'll also notice that it's personalized to Bradley because Bradley's selected. So if I wanted to send this out to everybody in the list, just remember to click on your Options button here and then select All in the current view and OK. And now it's going to send this job list email out to all of the candidates in the view as opposed to just Bradley. And again, I can toggle that using my options, all or recipients, meaning just the person I've selected. And hit send. And then that entire candidate list will receive your personalized job description as well. We hope you enjoy this feature and it helps you in your recruiting efforts. As always, please feel free to send an email to support@cbizsoft.com if you have any questions. Thanks so much.